Yeah, let's see what happens. Oh, shit. Well, that was a terrible fucking noise. That was a terrible noise.